Did you know that you can make money with a PDF file? Yes, you heard that right. PDF is not just a file format, but it is also a money-making material that you can make use of. In today's video, I will show you a technique that will help you make thousands of dollars using one PDF file. So smash that like button right now because I will be showing you step by step exactly how to do this so you can start earning right away. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to learn more ways on how to make money online and turn on the notification bell so you can be updated when new videos are out. Now, this method is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is something that will definitely make you a lot of good money as long as you're using it. Make sure that you don't skip any part so you don't miss a single important detail that I will be sharing with you. Otherwise, you might not get your desired results. The first step for this method is to open up Google Docs, then click on the new blank document. Now go on Google and search for a guide-like article like how to grow your Instagram. You can search whatever how-to topic you want and then select an article that's most relevant. Copy the steps in that article and paste it on your Google Docs file. You now have yourself a ready-to-go guide. The next step is to open up any website that caters to affiliate marketing. One is digistore24.com. What you have to do is find a product that you're going to market, preferably something that's related to your guide. So if you're talking about Instagram, select a product that is related to that topic. Once you've chosen a product, click Promote Now, then get your affiliate link. Copy that link and go back to your Google Docs file. Paste the link at the end of the guide. You can say something before that, like the best business growth course, then add an arrow pointing to your link. You can also shorten your affiliate link to make it really unique and clickable to your readers. You can go to bit.ly.com where you can shorten your links for free. Simply open up the website, paste your link in the box, and click Shorten. You will automatically get your shortened link, and you can copy this link and paste it to your Google Docs guide. The last step that we need to do is find our last traffic source. This is the ultimate step because finding the perfect traffic source is a make or break kind of thing in this process. If there is no traffic, your guide is useless if no one is going to see it. No one is going to click on your link or you will not make any profit. But before I show you how to get traffic to your link, please comment down below what kind of products you'd love to promote and why, as I'd love to get to know more of my audience. The website that we will use to get traffic is Quora.com. This is a platform where you can find various random posts and where you can post on as well. The best thing about this website is that almost 1 billion people visit this website monthly. This means that a lot of people know and love this website, so you can definitely get a lot of traffic from them. To get started, simply create an account with them so you can start posting about your guide. Once you have your account, what I want you to do is look up something that is relevant to your guide. You will then see all of the discussions on this topic. Go back to your Google Docs guide, copy all the text, then paste it as an answer to those people with questions that your guide can answer. Repeat the same process to more questions in the same area of concern because the more people you get the guide and link out to, the more customers you can get. This means that you will have higher chances of making more money. And once you've posted your guide with a link, people will just be clicking on it. This means that this is going to be on autopilot, so you will just be making money every single day, even without having to check the website every time. Once you've posted your link on Quora, money will just be coming in. You can be doing whatever you want and make money at the same time. So go ahead and try this method right today. As you can see, it's very easy to do and you don't need any experience to do this. Just follow all the steps I showed you in the video so you can start making money right away. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a like and share it with your family and friends. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more strategies on how you can earn money online. Thanks for watching!